DSLA has some updates. We're going to take a look at them right now. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips to low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video, I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. Not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, DSLA has revamped their website. It looks pretty good. They've added to their roadmap. And I have a special surprise at the end of the video. There's some staking opportunities that have come up. I'll show you those at the end of this video. So we're at stactical.com. And this is where the application is for DSLA protocol. The products that they have listed here are the DSLA protocol, a turnkey peer-to-peer third-party risk management infrastructure, the DSLA developer tools, the DSLA application, a simple way to tokenize and transfer third-party risk between peers, the DSLA app chain, sovereign network that expands the capacity of DSLA protocol, and then the DSLA metaverse, a learn to earn experience to achieve risk management literacy. I did a video about a month or two ago that goes into depth of the protocol. I will leave that in the description of this video if you want to go back and check that out. This video here is going to be pretty quick. It's going to show the updates, and I'm going to show the new staking opportunities that have opened up. We will take a quick look at the life cycle of the protocol. It is very interesting in my opinion. The infrastructure life cycle, DSLA protocol allows investors to issue service level agreements using DSLA utility tokens. Step 2 is the consumers and harvesters stake capital to a service level agreement to tokenize and transfer third party risk. And it says that step 3, the terms of the service level agreements are verified periodically. Each verification burns DSLA utility tokens like fuel. And step 4, the stake and of consumers and harvesters increases or decreases based on the outcome of the service level agreement. So basically what it does is it develops a service level agreement between the two parties, so there's no risk factor involved. So if somebody doesn't do their part, the stake of one party or the other will increase or decrease based on the outcome of the agreement. So that's how that works. If we look up here, there's a lot of different, they have a lot of different partnerships like Chainlink, XYO, Ethereum, Linea, Tezos, and they were audited by CertiK Foundation. If we take a look at the price action, it's currently at 0.0014 cents. The market cap's at a tiny 7.836 million. With all the use case, this is a very low price point in my opinion. The circulating supply, almost, I think it's over 90% of the total supply is circulating currently. I guess I could do the math on there and we can double check. It is 94.19% down from its all-time high. Okay, let's see what the percentage of the circulating or the total supply that's circulating. Take the circulating supply, which is 5,566,263,561, and divide that by the total supply, is 569,806,3,023. 97.6% of the total supply is currently circulating. There's not going to be much of any increase in tokens, inflation at all. It's going to be more deflationary because of the burns. And I did the quick math from the all-time high to the current price. To get to the all-time high, it would do an over 17x from here, which is very good in my opinion. It's one of my favorite low cap gems, and then at 7.836 million market cap currently. I think it has a long way to run, especially with all of the use case that it has. Okay, let's go to the most important part, probably why you are all here still watching this video. We're going to go to DSLA.network. That's actually where the staking is. So if we go to where it says stake here, we got to connect your wallet. And then there's multiple networks on here. You can hit buy tokens too if you want to go to Uniswap and swap. The ones that I've used Arbitrum and I've used Polygon. Both have low gas fees, and both I'll show you here in a second have some availability to stake. Last video I did, there was no staking availability at all. Now there is some opened up, quite a bit actually. We take a look here. 99.74% is full, but still that gives us over 1 million tokens, over 2 million tokens, I believe, are available to be staked on Arbitrum. And I just looked today, if we switch over to Polygon's got even more. I think I'm going to go ahead and buy a little because the price is kind of down. It looks like on Polygon, somebody could stake over 1 million tokens are available to be staked on Polygon. It's 12% APR, plus there's a boost possible. So it's a pretty good deal, actually, to stake on here. They're going to have they're going to add Avalanche eventually. Linea, when Linea launches completely, mainnet, Ethereum, Arbitrum, and then Polygon. I'm going with the low fee ones, so I'm going with Arbitrum and Polygon. If you didn't see my last video, which I will link in the description of this video, if you hit buy tokens, the best way to do this is to swap on Uniswap. You want to connect your wallet to either Polygon or Arbitrum. You want to send Matic tokens to your Polygon wallet. And you want to swap your Matic tokens for the DSLA protocol. Make sure you have some Matic tokens left over in your wallet for gas fees for swapping. And if you're doing Arbitrum, you want to go to Arbitrum and you want to send over some ETH over to your Arbitrum wallet, and then you want to swap ETH for DSLA tokens. That's the easiest and most cost-efficient way to do that. I honestly think that DSLA, with the use case, it has a really good chance of doing at least a 25x in a bull market. It possibly could do a 50x. Want to be realistic, but 25x is almost a given with that. These are like the perfect protocols, the perfect projects that I like to find, the ones that you can stake and earn a really good yield, accumulate tokens that has, and the protocol has a really high upside for a bull market with lots of use case. All right, that's all I got. Thank you for watching as always, and have a great day.